Hi friends, my name is Nandita. I am from Andhra Pradesh.
Good morning, children. In this section, you are going to learn about mangoes around the year environmental studies CBSE syllabus grade 5. Children, in this lesson, we are going to learn about spoilage and wastage of food, preservation of food, etc. Children, let us study about what is food spoilage. Food spoilage means the original nutritional value, texture, flavor of the food are damaged. The food becomes harmful to the people and unsuitable to eat. There are three major types of microorganisms that causes spoilage of the food, and these are called as yeast, molds and bacteria. Yeasts and molds can be thrived in high acidic foods like fruits, tomatoes, germs, jellies and pickles. Bacteria. Bacteria are round, rod or spherical shaped microorganisms. Bacteria may grow under a wide variety of conditions. These are many types of bacteria that cause the spoilage of food. Children, let us study about fungal spoilage. Blue mold rot in tomato caused by penicillium, and water soft root in apple caused by sclerotidium, and bacterial spoilage soft rot in tomato caused by Irvania carotivoria. Now, let us study about enzymes. Enzymes are proteins found in all plants and animals. If uncooked foods are not used, while fresh enzymes cause undesirable changes in color, texture, and flavor. Enzymes are destroyed easily by heating the process. So children, the food gets spoiled easily by bacteria and fungi, grows well at room temperature in the presence of moisture. Cereals and pulses does not get spoiled easily as there is no enough moisture in them. Children, spoilage food eat unfit for consumption. It tastes bad and can cause disorders also. Therefore, it has to be prevented from the spoilage. This prevention is termed as preservation of food. Let us discuss about what is food preservation and the methods of food preservation. Preservation is a process by which edible items such as fruits and vegetables are prevented from getting spoiled. The nutritive value, flavor, and color of the foods preserved remain intact. This is done to increase the life of the food product and enable its storage and supply. Children, food preservation prevents the growth of microorganisms or other organisms, as well as slowly the oxidation of fats that cause rancidity. Now, let us discuss some of the food preservation methods. Food preservation methods include such as drying, freezing, pickling, canning, and pasteurization. Water is good for many things, including the growth of bacteria that can cause food to spoil. Earlier on, people realized that if you remove water from a food, that will be stay good longer. For example, take a grape and put it in the direct sunlight and eventually you will have a raisin. A raisin will stay good much longer than as a fresh grape. Freezing. In this method, people would use the other methods to freeze food for later use. People would purchase a small hunk of ice, take it at home and place it in a box with their food. This was called an ice box, the predecessors of the refrigerator. Pickling. Pickles are the relation accompaniments in the Indian meals. Microorganisms do not grow well in the acidic solutions, and this is the base of preserving fruits and vegetables by pickling. Some of the fruits and vegetables which are generally pickled are raw mangoes, lemons, Indian ginger, turmeric, and green chilies, etc. Dehydration. It is the process of removal of water from the food. It is the simplest method and prevents food spoilage by removing water. The process of removing water from a food is known as dehydrating. There are many different ways to dehydrate foods. Sometimes salt is even used to help pull the water out of the food. All sorts of food are dehydrated, such as fruits and vegetables, etc. Now let us discuss about bottling and canning. Bottling and canning are the process of preserving food by heating and then sealing it in an right tight container. The food is boiled to kill microorganisms and then sealed to prevent other microorganisms from getting in. The food contents are sealed in an airtight container at high temperatures. Examples: meat, fish, fruits are preserved by canning. Sugar. Sugar is another common preservative used in jams and jellies. Sugar is a good moisture absorbent. By reducing moisture content, it restrains the microbial growth. Smoking. Smoking prevents dehydration in fish and meat and thus prevents spoilage. The wood smoke contains a large number of antimicrobial compounds that slow the acidification of animal fats. Irradiation. This method is also known as cold sterilization. The UV rays or X rays, gamma rays kill the unwanted microbes present in the food. Children, now let us discuss about pasteurization. Pasteurization means heating food to a certain temperature for some time, followed by rapid cooling. Heating at such high enough temperatures kills most of the bacteria. However, it does not affect the taste and nutritional value of the food. Fresh milk, yogurt drink and juices are pasteurized to make them last longer. Waxing. Waxing of a fruit and vegetable is also common. Apples, oranges, etc. are dipped into liquid wax to prevent growth of fungi and loss of moisture. Children, food preserved helps in preventing wastage of food from the spoiling, and it also helps us to store food and use it when it required for the whole year. All the food preserved have a shelf life. While buying and using preserved food, we should check the expiry date mentioned at the label of the product. Children, now in this lesson we will discuss a small story about summer treat Mamidi Tandra. Here in this lesson, two brothers were sharing their experience like this. These two brothers' names were Chittappa and Chinnababu, and they both were lived in Atreyapuram town in Andhra Pradesh. The brothers spent the summer holidays playing in the mango garden when the trees are full of fruits. They also like to eat ripe mangoes with salt and chili powder. At home, their mother cooks unripe mangoes in different ways. She also makes many kind of mango pickles. The pickles last through the year until the next mango season comes. One evening, while having food, Chinnababu asked, "Amma, we have so many mangoes. Make some Mamidi Tandra from them." Thereafter, father said like this, "Making Mamidi Tandra needs 4 weeks of hard work. If you both promise us to help every day for the next 4 weeks, so we can make together the Mamidi Tandra." So both the brothers quickly agreed to help. The next day, both the children went to the market with their father. They brought a mat oven from the leaves of a plane tree, poles of casuarinas tree, string made up of coconut husk, some jaggery and sugar. Amma found a sunny place in the backyard. Both the brothers made a high platform by using these poles. They spread out and tied the mat on the platform. The next day, Appa chose the most ripe mangoes. They took out the mango pulp into a large pot. Then they strained the pulp through a fine masculine cloth to remove the fibers from the pulp. Then Chittappa crushed the jaggery till there were no lumps. They added the jaggery and sugar in equal amounts to the pulp. Chinnababu mixed the jaggery and sugar well with a big spoon. Amma spread this pulp into a thin layer over the mat. The thin layer was left to dry in the sun. In the evening, they covered the mat with a clean sari to avoid any dust. The next day, they again took out some mango pulp. They added jaggery and sugar into the pulp. Then they spread the pulp over the previous day's layer. This work was given to both the brothers. Both of them together spread many layers over it. For the next 4 weeks, they hoped that it would be not rain. For 4 weeks, they added layer after until the jelly grew 4 centimeters thick and looked like golden cake. After some days, Amma said, "The Mamidi Tandra is ready. We can take it out and cut into pieces for tomorrow." The next day, the mat was brought down from the platform. Mamidi Tandra was cut into small pieces. The brothers tasted it. It was very tasty. Chinnababu said, "Wow, how tasty! After all, we have also helped in making it." Thank you.